goes the opening bell, and it's a flat opening. The Nifty opens down 5 points at 25,417. So holding on to 25,400 at open. It's a very mild downtick of 12 points, 10 points on the Nifty. The Sensex opens lower by close to about 60, 70 odd points. But considering we've had a 1.5% rally in the first 4 days of the trading week, this consolidation and flat opening is par for the course. The advanced decline ratio is firmly in favor of the gaining side. So we pull up the Nifty heat map. It's quite mixed. It's on an even keel now. Equal number of stocks up, equal number of stocks down. But predominantly on the way up, as you can see, it's the Adani Group stocks. Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, the two which are a part of the Nifty, are racing away. Adani Enterprises up 4 1/4 at 2,500. And as we were earlier pointing out, pre-Hindenburg, that stock used to trade at levels of 3,700, 3,800. So that is one of the Adani Group stocks which hasn't recovered to the pre-Hindenburg levels before all the allegations and investor concerns rose. So that stock is moving up, but you can see bigger, more powerful moves in the rest of the pack too.
Well, that's right. The Adani Group stocks clearly are doing very, very well. Inox Green is another one that's coming on very, very high volumes. I think that one should come up for you on the screen. Massive volumes on that particular name. Let's get that one up. It's up close to around 5%. So big move out there. IRM Energy. Sudarshan had highlighted that stock, about it moving on high volumes yesterday. Today, in fact, that stock has started off on the back foot. It's down close to around 5.5%. Texmaco Rail, that one I think has opened up in the green. They are backed in order worth around 87 crore rupees from Ultratech for wagons and brake vans. So that's why that stock is up and about. The other one that's under some pressure is Indian Hotels, because they've clarified on reports with regard to the hotel that they have in New York. They're saying that they have only leasehold rights and they don't own it. There was some speculation yesterday that they could sell it for a couple of $1 billion. But if it's leased, then they can't sell it. So that stock as well comes on your radar. What else? Ola Electric. That's opened up a little bit softish. It's down close to around 2% or thereabouts. But the Adani Group stocks, they are catching your attention. Big moves is what we're seeing on all of those names. Up and about in today's trading session. So the broader markets are outperforming today. Headline index is taking a bit of a pause. But otherwise, par for the course, one would say. I think Hind Rectifiers, they have gone ahead and they've done some small shopping overseas. If I saw that correctly, they've gone ahead and they bought a company in France, which was in liquidation. Volume's not very, very high. Only 15,000 shares have got traded. But that one as well opening up with a gain of close to around 4% or thereabouts. Well, what else, Rima? Anything else you've spotted?
Well, let's just quickly run through the large cap action then. Adani Enterprises right on top, 5% up, followed by Adani Ports. That's up close to about 2.5%. The picture for autos today is mixed. On the way up, you've got MotoCorp, Maruti Suzuki and Eicher Motors. So these three stocks seeing some buying. Gains are about 0.5 to 1%. But on the way down, M&M is seeing profit booking. It's been one of the biggest winners. Well loved by a lot of investors and funds. And Bajaj Auto is the other stock which is mildly under pressure today. So the picture across autos is mixed, but broadly there is no big stock which is moving up other than the Adani Group. Shriram Finance, HDFC Life, Geo Financial, ICICI Bank, HUL, NTPC. These are some of the large cap stocks which are opening up in the green. On the way down, Eternal is seeing some profit booking. ICICI Bank is subdued. In fact, ICICI Bank is putting pressure on the overall Nifty Bank with a cut of nearly about 1%. That's perhaps the reason why the Nifty Bank is down 100 odd points. HDFC Bank is down about 0.25%. Reliance Industries too is not flat, but with a negative bias. All in all, a very, very quiet day. Let's see whether we manage a positive close by the end. So far this week, it's been a rally of 1.5%. And if it continues like this, we will be on track to close higher for the third consecutive week. Dheeraj